It was a busy time at the docks. All the engines were working hard.
Great ass!
One morning, Percy was late. Cranky the Crane was quick to criticise. We've got too much work, huffed Percy. Then perhaps a lorry should do. You. Percy was shocked. He told the other engines what Cranky had said. Stuff and nonsense, snorted James. We engines run this island, said Henry. What if a lorry does arrive? The lorry was very rude. What's that steaming lump of shit doing here? Be off with you. Well, boss, my boss, what a horrid lorry. Agreed James. What are you doing here? We three are doing your work now. You're too slow.
You're too slow!
His railway ran through a narrow gorge, but vehicles had to tackle a steep and dangerous road. When Toby arrived, he saw the lorry from the quarry again.
It's over!
Lorry.
I have the high ground!
You underestimate my power!
Percy looked at the lorry. What's this lump of steam and shit? He teased. Then James whistled excitedly. They're bringing in the third lorry on a...
Barge!
What happened to that one? James asked. Stupid lorry was stupid reversing and fell straight into the stupid sea, said the stupid tow truck man. Later, Thomas arrived. He looked at the three lorries and laughed. Well, 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 the Brothers Grimm, smashed, broken and sus. The lorries didn't return, and the engines now work even harder to make sure they never will.
That's racist.
Oh, look, it's a little green goblin on wheels.